Morning everyone, so today, let me see, we're at a Ford Transit 2015, is this a Mark 7? No sure. Anyway, there was a noise, a rumble, and the guy thought it was his wheel bearing, and it's not. It's this bearing on the drive shaft, so I'll show you how to do the job, but what we've done here, it's off the motor obviously, this is front wheel drive, so we're going to split the bearing to see if we can get that off, and we've cleaned up this drive shaft. We need to clean it up a bit more, so we can slip on the new bearing. There it's there, eh? Aye, so it misses that, so we see, that's right, it goes on like that. Oh, that's fine, we'll need to clean up that bit. And you can see it's tapered up there. So, Roddy's got to do the magic with the Aldi, oh, see this thing? Did you put the other blade? Was that the original blade?
No, that's the end of the book.
Oh, aye. That's a brilliant little blade, that. Thin as anything. Aye, just to take the pressure off. Well, you can split it in two. A good blade, eh? Takes a bit of the pressure off, eh? Oh. That's turning, is it though? So here they're handy. Fuel injectors, that's it, we're needing them. Diesel injectors. Get any movement at all? Oh, it's just got to melt. I thought we were just cutting through that bit a wee bit, eh? Oh. That's it, you're away. Good lad. Alright. There we go. Now you should just slide on, just get a wee clean up. So we've cleaned it up using the old brake clean. You just want to be nice. We treat this place like an area of excellence. It's a lab. Get a wobbly table. Oh. Right, so we'll just put a bit of Vaseline on it. Tight. Is that it? Is it? Oh no, there we go. Oh, it has to be, it's tapered there, eh? So put the old Vaseline on it, very handy stuff this. That's it. So what we've came up with the idea, our old mate Dave Sterling told about this for taking drive shafts out the box. So we think maybe put that in there like that, and Roddy's going to use his magic hand just to chap it down, my man. So you want gravity, Pillar? No, table's not the best. Aye, that'd be a better idea. Right, this is how we put it on. We used that horseshoe thing that you pop out the drive shaft. We then went underneath and we clamped it onto the boat with the bearing. Sorry about the thing, mate. And Roddy's at one side and I'm at the other. And we just simply took our hammer and 3, 2, 1. Right. See, Roddy went out to sink there, but never mind. That's perfect, my man.
That's it, perfect.
We're on. So, and it turns, it's smooth. So, that's it. That worked perfect.
Right.
Doing this job in reverse. So you remove that clamp that holds the other bearing on, and see when you want to remove this from the gearbox, obviously, there's the gearbox there, and you've got to remove some of the fluid, but just let it trickle down, you can top it up later on. Hit up here with a hammer and chisel, so you're popping that out and it comes out a whole lot easier. And then you've got to do the bottom ball joint, which is Mantite. you got to really heat that up. Then we use this arm to remove it, to pull it down. Then you do the track rod end. But it's straightforward, but hardest bit's getting that bearing back on.